Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. Very tired, okay? Because I went to Inflator Nation and everything, and I'm very tired, okay? Then I played football yesterday, I'm tired. Right, so let's get on with it. I've got a VW, actually, what am I saying VW? Seat Mii, okay? Same as the VW Up, all right? 2015 plate, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the throttle housing, okay? The throttle body, dead easy job. Take you 10 minutes outside your house, no problem whatsoever. Let's do it, let's go. Alright, you might be thinking, why am I changing the throttle body, the throttle housing? The reason being is because this car all of a sudden lost power. Okay, so that's why we're replacing the throttle body. Plug the scanner on it. It says throttle actuator malfunction. Okay, so it could be a few things. It could be a throttle pedal itself, the pedal itself, because it's a fly-by-wire pedal. So it could be the pedal, or it could be the throttle body. More than likely it's the throttle body. Dead easy job. You might as well just change that first, see how it goes. Okay, first things first, this air filter box needs to come out of the way. So I've already took it off from there, just pull that bit out. It just lifts off like that. Lift that back a bit up, this bit up. Little pipe there goes on the side. Take that off. And this air filter box should come straight off. Like I said, 5 minutes job, 10 minutes job. You can do it outside your house, no problem whatsoever. That's the throttle body. We're going to take this plug off. That comes off. Take them three off. 1, 2, and 3. Torx 30. Let's get them three off. Happy days. Let's do it. As you can see here, right, I've just took it off. Right, and the throttle on these throttle housing, you're supposed to have like a springiness. Press it there, it's supposed to come back again. What it is, you should have like a springiness on them, right? That should come back again. It should come back again. See, it gets there and stuck. Stuck again. Okay? It's supposed to spring back, go to its original position again. So that's at fault. Then again, it's only 3 screws to replace it. Let's go ahead and replace that. And I would recommend you get a second-hand original one, okay? Don't go buying things off eBay unless it's your personal car. If it's a customer's car, if you're a mechanic out there, put a customer's car, put a second-hand original one, or put a brand new original one, okay? The brand new original one of these, expensive, okay? You can get it from eBay, slightly cheaper, right? But they're not original. It won't go through the CAN bus, and you're gonna have the car might run okay, but you might have the management light still on. So anyway, you can hear this all rattling inside. Something's gone inside it. Let's do it, let's go. Right guys, there we have it. That's on. Got them 3 bolts back on. Wiring plugs back on. If you don't believe me, there's the old one. There's the new one. All on. Now we're gonna put the air filter box back on. And yeah, let's see what happens. Right, so that's it guys, that's how we replace the throttle body. Like I mentioned, only a 5-minute job. Okay, one of the easiest jobs I would say on Raul TV, but yeah. So yeah, not the hardest job in the world. You can do it outside your house if you got the tool. All you need is a Torx 30 and that's it. Anyway guys, I hope that video helps you guys out. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, we'll see you guys soon.